Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can calibrate your Google Maps. So let's get right into it. Now, you don't have anything to calibrate on the PC version, which is what I have currently on my screen right now. So I'm going to be focusing on the mobile version, but I'm going to be explaining with my own words since I don't have a way to display it on my screen at the current moment. So I hope you guys don't mind, but it's actually very easy to do. Now, what I want to say now. Yeah, to calibrate your Google Maps on your mobile app, you need to, of course, first enter the map, and the only thing that you can calibrate is your compass. So, for example, your compass might be misaligned. It might be showing that north isn't in the actual north direction. So you're just gonna have to tap on your compass icon, maybe even hold it, and then you'll have the option to calibrate it there. You might also have slight differences in this process depending on your platform. So if they aren't if those options to recalibrate aren't in the compass icon, you can try your settings in your profile icon in the top right, and if you're in your settings, you should be able to locate that option. But yeah, once you tap or hold your well, what's it called, the compass icon, if it's misaligned already and you're not looking at north and you cannot position it directly north or directly south, you can just tap on it and it'll just realign itself with the north. However, if it's misaligned, then I'm pretty sure it's an error with Maps itself, so you might need to reinstall the app. Yeah, that is pretty much it. Another thing that you can try and do is you can go into, for example, you select your own location where you're currently at, or you select any location and type in a destination location, and then you can select walking directions or start walking navigation. There you'll have the option to enter live view, where you'll need to record or take pictures of buildings, road signs, anything in the vicinity that will help better locate you, and that's going to automatically locate you on the map. This might also help you recalibrate your directions or anything of the sort. And if your location is what needs recalibrating, then the only option is pretty much just get better signal or get better internet. If you're on foot, then use your data if you have it. If not, try and locate a Wi-Fi signal. If there's any interference with the signal, then you'll just need to trust Google Maps. If it's not showing you exactly the way you're pointing, then it might be due to your phone's gyroscope, which also tends to not work perfectly. So there is no other way to recalibrate it except find the best possible connection and try to align your mobile phone horizontally and face in whichever direction you want, and that should be able to find the front direction perfectly so that you're not pictured as going diagonally and anything of the sort. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.